Hi guys, so today's video I'm testing out the Misunderstood palette by Colourpop. A couple of the villain items because the palette looked incredible and Glitterily Obsessed looks so cool. And I couldn't help but get another Jelly Much eyeshadow considering the last Jelly Much eyeshadow I got was amazing. I have been testing these out as I do with a lot of my products. I try to give you fuller reviews rather than first impressions because I feel like they're more helpful. Start with my eyes, which is why I have no makeup on. Sorry if I look a bit haggard, but let's get into this. I'm hoping my neighbours are going to shut up. That's what the outside packaging looks like. Really cool. It's got all the crows and snakes and skull and crossbones and things like that. Really awesome packaging. This is what the palette looks like. Got like Maleficent and the Evil Queen, Cruella. This is what the palette looks like. So you have only 5 matte shades, the white, these 2 colours, the blue and the black. Everything else are shimmers. They're really gorgeous shades, very buttery. I've also got this Glitterily Obsessed. This is actually meant to be for the body, but I have used it on my eyes a couple of times. So again, it has the same kind of packaging. This is so cool. This is what the shade looks like. I got Anomaly, which is like a blue kind of one. These are amazing. They do say not to put these on your eyes, but apparently I don't listen to those people. If you've never used glitter before, I wouldn't start with these. I would definitely start with maybe the Steeler ones. I also got this one. I really like the look of this one. This is called Not Today. It has like the little hats all over it. I can't remember who this is, whose collection this is. It just has the villains on the top, has the cap, which I would say you need to keep. This is the shade. This is gorgeous green. I'm definitely going to use this on my eyes today with a little bit of the glitter, just a little bit of these shadows, these lighter shades, and then some of the more golden, warmer tones for kind of everyday looks, and then like the blues and the greens and stuff for more intense looks. So I always start with an eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. If you have any kind of oily eyelids, definitely start with an eyeshadow primer. This or the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. So this is the finished look. First of all, the palette. I really like it. I think the quality of Colourpop eyeshadows are phenomenal. This shade is kind of, I don't know if you can tell. You probably can't tell on my camera because it doesn't focus. This shade does feel a little bit loose, and Kathleen Lights did say that in her review. I do feel like it's missing a couple of mattes maybe, but you can get away without them, honestly. You've only got these warm tones or these 2 dark tones, and you don't get a mirror. But otherwise, the quality is incredible. The Jelly Much, I love using this with the Essence glitter and pigment applicator. It's just like a silicone applicator. Really cheap, I'll link it down below. And I love this shade. There was quite a few shades I really liked, but I can't afford them all. And the Glitterily Obsessed. I am obsessed with this glitter. You have to be really careful taking this off so you're not like wiping it into your eye. Try and wipe it across or up or something like that. If you're going to use this on your eyes, be aware that they do advise not to, so do it at your own risk. I'm doing it at my own risk, but it is completely down to you if you want to use them on your eyes. If you want to see more Colourpop, I will have another review coming up very, very soon for some more products, and if you want to see that, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and this eye look, please give it a like. I would really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all very soon in the next video. Bye!